Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Today is the second day of our South Caucasus series. We have explored the city of Baku yesterday. Today we are going to travel to a new place called Gabala, which is a couple of hour drive from the city of Baku in Azerbaijan. On the way from Baku to Qabala, there is a town called Shamaki. In this town, there is a beautiful mosque called Juma Mosque. This was opened in the year 734 AD. Let's go and explore the mosque outside as well as inside. We have a separate entrance for ladies and a separate entrance for gents. So let's get into the gents side of the mosque and get inside and see what's in there. So we have done with the mosque. That has been a very good experience. It's so historical, so beautiful. Now we are getting to another place called Yeddi Gozel, which means seven beauties. It's pretty much in Qabala. That has a staircase. It's uphill actually, so you need to walk upstairs. If there are quite a lot of steps, but it doesn't take much time. It's not so hard. It's medium, I can say. It takes around 10 or 15 minutes to go all the way upstairs to visit the beauty of the waterfalls. Let's go and let's explore the place. So we have reached this place, Yeddi Gozel Waterfalls. There's a lot of crowd in the parking. I hope there is good water for our spectacular views. There are quite a lot of shops on the way uphill. Lots of food to eat, lots of fruits, lots of fruit juices, and dondurma, which is the Turkish style ice cream, which you can try if you really love ice creams. So there are a lot of things on the way uphill. There are so many souvenir shops around. Let's go. Let's walk all the way up. Let's explore and see what's in there. On the way to the uphill, so there are quite a lot of water bodies. I can say small waterfalls, which are actually flowing from the top hill, the main waterfalls. So people do halt here for a while, take some pictures, just relax, and then continue their walk. So we have reached the uphill finally. So these are the waterfalls that we have been looking for. There is not a lot of water, but it's decent enough. So it's like 10-15 minutes walk to the uphill to experience this beauty. There's a small cafe on the top in case just if you want to just refresh yourself. So we have done it's a tiresome exercise walking all the way uphill. but it has been a very good experience. So let's go back to the parking. Let's walk downstairs. It may take another 10-15 minutes for us, and let's get to the next destination. So we have reached the next place, which is called Nohur Gol. This is Lake Gabala or Gabala Lake that we call. It's a very good spot for so many picnics, lots of tourists and travelers to stop here. There are lots and lots of restaurants, so many choices, but the restaurants are a bit expensive than other places. That's what I heard. So, in case if you want to have or try a lot of options for food, this could be one of the very good destinations for you. There's ample parking space. There are lots of family restaurants. There's a lake where you can go on a boat ride. The lake is so beautiful, so greenery around, and the water is looking really good. On the way to our next destination, we halted at a restaurant. This is called Etchi. This is predominantly Arabic style restaurant, so also continental and other Western dishes. This is very hygiene. This is recommended by our tour guide. He says it's a very good place to eat, have food, relax with families. This is a resort come restaurant actually. This is a resort where you can come here and stay there for a few nights. It also has an attached restaurant and a very good chef and a well maintained place, very hygiene, very clean. Let's go have some food and then let's continue our tour. So we have reached a new place called Tufandag. This is a mountain resort where we have a rope line to get into the middle of mountains. There are 3 or 4 ropeways. This is predominantly famous in the winter season, where the whole mountain or the hilly region here becomes white. It's snow white. It's full of snow. People do come here, stay here for a few nights, and do skiing and other snow activities. Because it's a summer that we came here, we don't have any snow, but we have lots of greenery. We take a rope line, go to 1 or 2 places in the mountain, just visit the resort, just see the places around, explore, and just come back.
Winter. This one. Two people, 2 miles. Go back. Huh? No, only
How come that?
two rope lines. 2 miles, 2 miles. Yeah.
Okay. First station top of the mountain.
Okay.
Second station down Tufandag Hotel.
22.
Okay.
Two stations down first for 16 minutes, one station. Okay?
Okay.
Third station go village and the last station top of the mountain go high.
Okay. 2 stations enough.
Only two stations?
Yes.
Last station go high to beautiful.
No, it's okay. No problem.
There are lots of travel options here, but we have bought for 2 stations. So we start here, we go to the first place, then to the second place, and come back to the source. So that's our plan today. There are some quad bikes here, which also called as ATA bikes for rent. You can just go around the mountain hills, the valleys, and just come back. There are different prices and packages. Let's go and find out the price.
So how much is the ATV bike? How much?
شخص واحد 40 مليون.
Huh?
شخص واحد 40 مليون. 55.
Aha. شخص واحد 50.
40 مليون. شخص واحد.
شخص واحد
55 مليون.
55.
So they are charging 40 manat for one person and 55 manat for two people. So finally we have finished exploring Gabala today. Let's go back to the downhill or the initial place where we have parked our car. So let's go back to Baku city. We are done for the day. We will continue our tour tomorrow.